Hello and welcome to Telugu One Food. I am your host Chef Hesina Haflongbar, and today I will be showing you the techniques how to fillet a fish and cut it into different sizes. So let's check it out.
Hi, today we will show you how to fillet a fish. Filleting is a process where you remove the skin and also the flesh and you just leave the bones together, so you get a nice boneless fish. So today we have just taken out the head and the stomach of the fish. Now let's start with the process of filleting. Now we'll start removing the scales using a peeler. The best trick to remove the scales is always go on the opposite side of the scales, so it will make it much more easier when you scale the fish. So after scaling, this is how the fish will look. Once this is done on both the sides, you can just rinse it with water. So let's start with the filleting process. To fillet the fish, you start making an incision from one end of the fish. Start from the top and slowly go towards the bottom. Once the incision has been made, slowly start scraping from inside through the bone so that you do not leave any meat pieces on the bone. For this you can use the front end of your knife. It will be much more easier for you. Now we'll turn the fish and we'll repeat the same process from the other side. Now once the tail end has been cut off, we can slowly start pulling it from one side. If you feel the fish is still attached to the bone, you can slowly scrape it. Once that is done, it will be easier for you to pull out the fillet from the bones. Now this you see is a clean fillet which has no bones in it. If you still feel that there is a bone, just run your fingers through the fillet and you can just take it out by pulling it from the flesh. Now our fish fillet is ready. Now you can use the fillet to make any fish steak, fish finger, sliced fish. It depends how you like your fish. So you can use any cuts of fish that you require to make your dish. You can repeat the same process for the other side as well. So you see, now both our fillet is ready and the bones we have separated it. Now we'll show you how to deskin the fillet. So for removing the skin of the fish, hold the tail end from your left hand with your thumb so you get a grip over the fish. Now just make a small cut The cut should not be too deep, otherwise you will end up cutting the entire fish fillet. Just a little bit cut so that you can slide your knife at around 30-degree angle towards the inside of the fillet. So now slowly drag your knife towards the fillet on the right hand side and keep moving slowly. If you feel you have a doubt, you can just turn over your fish fillet and check if you are not trimming too much of the meat. Yes, so we feel that the skin is coming out nicely and we have the meat that is getting separated properly. Now slowly start moving till the end, gripping on the skin of the fish. So it will be easier for you to remove the fillet. Now our fillet is de-skinned. Repeat the same process for the other fillet as well. Now we'll show you how to cut the fish into steak. So we'll be using the fillet with the skin side to cut it into steaks. We'll show you how do we cut the fish fillet into steaks. Trim the side of the belly so you get a proper cut of the fillet, so you have an even shape now. Now take from the head side, just trim a little bit from the head side. Just a measurement of 1.5 knife, almost around 6 inches, you can cut one steak. You can use the same steak to measure your other steak. So now we have 2 steaks, each weighing around 150 grams to 180 grams each. Now the tail end, we can use it to cut it into dices so that you can use it into stews, soup or even curry. Even the leftover belly part, you can use it in your curries. So we have the fillet without skin. So now we'll show you how to cut slices which can be used in any fried items, or if you want to make any Chinese gravies or something. So the fried fish sliced is very much suitable for it. So now we'll start showing you how to cut it into slice. So just cut the fillet by the center into half and separate it. Now keep your knife at around a 30-degree angle and from the back just pull it towards yourself, towards the front, till you get a nice thin slice. So repeat this for all the slices. The more diagonally you cut the slice, the better slices you get. Now we'll show you how to cut the fish fillet into fingers. Cut the fillet into long strips. Remove any off cuts and you can use it in your other curry dishes. Once you have the desired long fillet, just measure it using your finger so you get a proper size to it. So now once you have cut it, you can use the same fish for measurement, so it's easy for you to get an even cut. The fish fingers are ready now.